So next, we're going to be working on the header structures and that sort of stuff. So between the two paragraphs, I'm going to write contact information. And right here, I'm going to highlight it. And where it says normal on the toolbar, I'm going to give it heading 2. As you can see here, there are different headings going all the way down to 6. I know I've kind of gone over it again, but it's something that's very important, and it works on even more than Drupal. Anytime you're doing a Word document or anything like that, header structure is very important. There can be multiple of any heading except for one. Heading 1, that's always the title. You can have multiple heading 2s if you're having like chapters or, multiple things of the same, the same like, I forgot the term, but it's like if they're on the same level, put them the same term. And then anything inside a 2 is a 3, anything inside a 3 is a 4, so on and so forth. You probably won't have to go past heading 3 on any given day. We're not going to be going past header 2. But this allows screen readers and people just viewing the text to be able to skim through easily. So instead of having it like just bolded text, if you have it bolded text, and you're looking through it, you can find it easily. I'm trying to find out about green frogs, and green frogs is halfway through the text. Okay, I can find it easy, but screen readers have to read through all the text. There's no skimming if there's no headers.